Hello students, welcome back with a new video. Today's class about revision work of math class 5 for 22 exam. Student, there is some fill in the blanks with related to rupees, and here will be one question that I already written on the board. At first you also write the question in your rough copy and then practice. We have another question also, so let's start one by one. First question, rupee half, that means dash paise. You know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. So it is half means it will be 50 paise. Then rupee 1 by 10, actually this is related to fraction 1 by 10. It is 10 paise. Because you know that 100, so 10 divided by 10 means 100, so it is 10 paise. Then rupee third by 4. If it is fourth means 4 part, that means 25, 25, 25 and 25. So there is 3 part means 75 paise. Okay. After that, if the portion is coming from like this, the 25 paise means how many rupee? So what you need to write? We have to write 0.25 rupee. Okay. After that, as of same to same, it is 0.75 and it is 0.50. So you can convert easily this one in fraction also. Same type. Okay, that means it is 1 by 4, it is 3 by 4 and it is half. So our first portion complete. Then if we see the second portion, if the temperature of Kolkata was 25.5 degrees Celsius on Friday, next day it was 21.9 degrees Celsius. How much fall in temperature of there on Saturday? That means easily we can very easily identify it is 25, that means big, this is small, so we have to subtract. So what we need to write? Temperature on Monday. Then I have no place, so I will write here 25.5 degrees Celsius, and again you have to write temperature not Monday, it is Friday. Temperature on Saturday, that means next day it will be 21.9 degrees Celsius. So easily you have to subtract this. We have to subtract, not same to same. Here is 5, so we have to imagine it is 15. So 9 and how many? It will be 6 degrees Celsius. Then point, so here will be on minus, that means 4, that means on and 4 it is 3 and 2 2. So 3.6 degrees Celsius is less in the next day. So you have to write the answer like this: 3.6 degrees Celsius temperature fall on Saturday. Very easy. You have to identify only and you have to understanding only. After that, this is very easy for you. Okay. Okay, complete this one. We have another 2%. Okay students, another two portion I written on the board. This is same type portion, only difference. The distance between Kolkata and Barasat on map is 110 centimeters. What will be the actual distance between these two cities? You have a information 2 centimeters on map equal to 1 km on ground. Okay, very easily we can find out. That is given. At first we have to see what we need to do and what is given on the question. 2 centimeter equal to 1 km, it is given. Okay, then we have to find out. So 1 centimeter equal to half kilometers. Yes, but our question is 110. Then 110 centimeter equal to, there is half given, so we have to multiply 110. Then it is under, so we have to dividation it. We have to dividation it. We can cut it. It will become 55. We can show like this also in a rough, in a rough page. In a rough we can show, we can divide it by 2, so it will be 5 to the 10, then 1 0, 5 to the 10, so it is 55 kilometer. So we have to write the answer. Actual distance, because it needs actual distance. Actual distance between these two cities is 55 kilometer. Okay, 55 kilometer. This is our answer. So another question, it is same type. It is given the distance between KB number to Salt Lake and KB Wave Damdam is 10 kilometer in actual. What will be the distance on map between these two schools? That means this portion is the opposite of this portion. So our information given 1 km equal to 2 centimeter on map. So we have to write same things. 1 km, that is the opposite of this portion, 2 semi. Okay. Then what we need to find out? 10. So 10 km equal to 2 multiply 10 centimeter, that will be coming 20 centimeter. It is very easy, only 2 steps question. Okay, so answer will be what you need to write. Distance between on map distance between these two schools is 20 centimeter. Very easy, because 1 km equal to 2 centimeter, so 10 km equal to 20 centimeter. Totally easy solution. I request to everyone practice it, so your exam will be better. PT2, these types of portion will be come. So we practice.